My John Deere 175 stopped running, so I came in and was trying a few things on this engine. I noticed it did have spark, but it wouldn't fire over even if I put some starter fluid in the carburetor. What I wanted to show you is this particular igniter part. It's got two terminals to it, the screw and the spade there. Basically that controls the timing of the spark. So I replaced that for like I think it was around $80, and that took care of the problem. Seems like it's a pretty common issue. I think that's like a BM11 part number. Here is the old device right here, and you can see if you put an ohm meter on there, it's about 1.4K in the failed condition for me. Both directions. If I reverse the polarity, it would get 1.4K, so it looked like it failed and looks like more of like a resistor. But at the end of the day, I put that new device in there, the igniter. It's a Kawasaki device, part number, and took care of the issue. And basically here is the model number of my Kawasaki engine. I've had this thing for, I don't know, over, let's say 26 years, and this is the first time it ever acted up. So I feel pretty lucky. So hopefully this will help you out too.